So now that we've discussed about the root cause of the problem, and we've identified that Ama is actually the villain in this entire scheme, let's understand how Ayurveda as a solution gives you 10x the power that you need to not just treat this problem, but also to prevent this problem for recurring lifelong. And the power of Ayurveda actually lies in the herbs. You will be amazed to know that Charak Samhita and Kashyap Samhita, which are the ancient scriptures of Ayurveda, which was discovered more than 5,000 years ago, have got some mystical information for women's reproductive health. And the herbs that Ayurveda recommends for flushing out the toxins, which is Ama, and enabling the ovaries to perform at its optimum level and produce the hormones which is needed to provide ovulation support and to get the periods, are clearly listed as: first, there is Pipali. Second is aloe vera. Third, Dashmul. Fourth, Shatapushpa. And finally, all of us know about Shatavari. So let's discuss these herbs a little in detail, right? Again, back to the root cause. The root cause of the problem is Ama. So which is that star herb or that Ramban which is going to do its magic in flushing out the toxins from your reproductive system? It is Pipali. That's the herb which has the properties of scraping and flushing out toxins which are stuck at every cell of the reproductive system. The second thing, and we've just discussed that there needs to be the right proportion of female hormones, which is estrogen and progesterone. And both of them have a role to play in you getting your periods on time. And for this hormonal balance to be always set right, the herb that works wonderfully on that is actually Dashmul. So Dashmul's job is nothing but to restore hormonal imbalance. The other two herbs, which is aloe vera and Shatapushpa, they play an important role to support healthy ovulation and egg growth and development. When you start ovulating naturally, there is a process which takes place which enables the inner lining of the uterus, which is known as endometrium, to shred in a natural and in a smooth manner. And that's done by aloe vera and Shatapushpa. And finally, the Ma of all herbs, which is Shatavari. It is so powerful that it gives the required nutrition to your reproductive system. And it also builds immunity of your reproductive system. Remember, when it comes to Ayurveda, it's not just about treating the problem, it's also about prevention. And that is what makes Ayurveda the best life science in the world. So in the Tula Ayurvedic pills, along with the 5-star herbs that I've just spoken about, there are 20 more herbs that have come together in a very pure and a potent form to regulate your periods naturally and to give you a lot more benefits that we will discuss in this masterclass.